Well, hi guys, this is a review of the SILVERLINE vacuum based table vise, 75mm, and it's absolutely fantastic. It really is. I got this given from PickWizard on the DBC Locksmith forum for all my kind efforts with my videos on YouTube for the forum and for the website. So thank you so much for that, mate. And it really is brilliant. I'm not used to using vices for picking, so PickWizard kindly sent me this, and it is absolutely fantastic. I hope you can read the bit of spec on there. I'm having to use my camera on a pair of weighing scales, kitchen scales, because my 99p tripod, free delivery from Hong Kong, is broken. I wonder why. So sorry guys, I'm having to actually reach over the camera to do this, so it's a bit awkward. But it also has, I'm having to turn it on its side, guaranteed forever, register online. This is absolutely awesome, it really is. It's a brilliant vise. I've got that sucked down at the moment, so I'm going to release it and show you. There you go. Basically what you do is just hold your hand down on it, a little bit firm, and this lever here, draw that down, and you can feel the suction pulling in. And my work surface, guys, is not the best quality, for the simple reason that when I used to cook and enjoyed it, I'd chop with a knife, so it's got a lot of grooves in it, but this still manages to stick there. I've already put a lock in this, a 5-pin cylinder. As you can see, it is actually locked. So I'm going to have a go at picking this. I found it in the street when I was coming home from work one day with a snapped key in the back. So somebody had obviously snapped a key and needed to change a lock. I managed to get the key out and play with the lock. Probably a really easy one, as you can see, that's picked there, but it is actually a 5-pin cylinder. So I'm going to lock that back up, and like I say, I do hope you can see what I'm doing, because I've literally got my little video camera in front of my chest and I'm having to reach over like a little rugby player. Also, what I'm going to do is show you the Southward pick gun, because you can see it's still stuck down firmly, and the reason I'm using this as well is because of the impacts on the top of the keyway. It doesn't budge it. It'd probably be great for bumping as well, to be honest with you, how strong it is. And as you can see, I'm using the angled piece in the end. It seems to work quite well with this lock on low tension, might I add, on the Southward pick gun. So let's get the wrench in. Though it's awkward working behind a camera. So let's have a look. Few clicks there. It's because I think of the position I'm stood. I'm literally bowled over this camera. Let's give that one more go and show you that the vise is actually still stuck down nicely. So in with the wrench, and it is locked up. Check the grub screw on the end. As I've said in previous videos, keep a check on that, guys. Few more clicks on that. I do get that a lot faster when I'm not stood behind the camera like this. If there were a camera behind me, guys, filming what I'm doing, you'd be hauling yourselves, you really would. So as you can see, that's hits with the pick gun and single pin pits, and it's still really stuck in place. The great thing about this as well is you've got like an adjustment here where if you turn that and release, you can actually angle that to whatever position you want, which I found was brilliant, really is. And you just nip it straight back up again to your desired position. And again, through just doing that, the vice is still stuck down. It is absolutely fantastic. I'll release that and just show you something else that was brought up. This is like a computer mat type thing. If I bob that on there, just watch these edges. Move that back a tad. Watch the edges curl up as I pull this down. As you can see there and there, that's actually sucked straight through that. That's not going anywhere. It's really, really fantastic. So release that off, throw that to one side. These little bits there, when they come out of the box, I found were tucked on the inside like that, and I didn't realise. It's no fault of the vice or anything like that, it's just how it's packaged. And what I first did is bobbed it down, pulled it to suck onto the surface, and it wouldn't do it, and I couldn't think why till I had a quick look and just did literally that. Once I've done that and done that, you've got a great solid vice. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Poor old Lenny there is getting left out. So again, Lenny on true form. But the main star of this YouTube video and for the DBC Locksmith Forum is this fantastic vice. Get one, guys, seriously. It is absolutely fantastic, really is. So if you do require any lock picking bits and pieces for your toolkits, please visit www.dbclocksmith.co.uk, and while on there, yet again, guys, please join the forum. Because you have any sort of problems at all with any bits and pieces you've bought as a newbie, get online and there's always somebody there to help. 24 hours a day nearly. You have a problem, no matter which part of the world you're from, type it in, somebody's back with you within seconds. So I do hope you enjoyed that, guys. I really enjoyed this vice, so I've got to get more practice in, because I don't use vices that much. I always hold them by hand, but love it, really do. So thank you so much, Pick Wizard. Thank you so much everybody on the DBC Locksmith Forum. Again, thanks for watching, happy picking, and yet again, please keep it legal.